Hello and welcome. Now in this video I want to show you how you can harness the potential of ChatGPT and get the best responses from this AI platform. Now today I'm going to take you to the third level of responses and how you can get these responses all for free. Now when we talk of third level, we are talking of a more advanced and refined responses that we can get from ChatGPT. Now this tells you that there are several levels of ChatGPT that you should know to. However, most of us, when we are asking or when we are performing any task with ChatGPT, we are only satisfied with the first response, the level 1 response. My name is Isaac and this is a minute with AI. So let's get into it. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write for us an article. So this is my prompt: write an article on advancement in technology we should expect in 2025. So here we go. Now this is a good response. Now for this, I'll request ChatGPT to give me a level 2 response of the same. I'll ask, this is a level 1 response. Now write for me a level 2 response and let it do the magic. So let's wait for the level 2 response and see. And here it is almost completing. And here we go. Now just look at the response. The article has been elevated to a more in-depth level 2 response, incorporating nuanced details and exploring the implication of technological advancements in 2025. Now from this you realize that it has been elevated to a more in-depth level 2 response. You check out the length of the article and the details, you realize there are more details that have been added in these articles that makes it different from the first article. For instance, let's just look at artificial intelligence response and machine learning. This is what it says: artificial intelligence will transcend its current capabilities in 2025, becoming an integral part of daily life and industrial processes. Advanced generative AI models will drive innovation in content creation, enabling ultra-realistic simulations and hyper-personalized experiences in entertainment, marketing, and education. Now you can see that type of response that we are getting from ChatGPT. If you compare this with the first response, you will realize there is a very big difference, and that's good. In as much as this is the best we can take this article and publish it, we can still further go ahead and prompt ChatGPT even to give us more redefined article, and this we take it to level 3. So let me like this response first and say, that was a great response. Now write for me a more refined level 3 response. Let's go ahead and tap on enter and wait for the response. So it will go ahead and rewrite the whole article, as you can see here. And here we go. Here we go. And give a close look on the previous response and the current response. And it is done. Now, if you look at the response, the document has been refined to a level 3 response, offering deeper insights, advanced terminology, and an exploration of broader implications of technological advancements in 2025. You realize it has digged in. Now look at 5G and beyond. It is even talking of research into 6G, which I bet was not in the previous responses. You can see how advanced the response is and how it has explored widely. Go ahead and play with your ChatGPT and let it give you responses in level 2 and level 3 and try to compare. So let me know in the comment section if you have tried out and if you have noted any difference, and also let us know the tricks you have been using to get the best responses from ChatGPT. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.